Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is tuple. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is 7th topic in data types and type conversion. Key points about tuple. Tuple is a sequence data type. Tuple is immutable type, that is, data cannot be modified. Tuple is a collection of elements separated by comma enclosed inside a round bracket. Tuple may hold different types of values such as integer, float, Boolean, string, list, tuple, etc. We can create an empty tuple using an open-close round bracket or using tuple function. These are the examples of creating a tuple. A tuple can also be created without using parentheses. This is known as tuple packing. However, the tuple packing is not applicable for single item. A tuple with single item cannot be created by enclosing in round bracket. So to create a tuple with a single item, we need a trailing comma to indicate that it is in fact a tuple. Let's create a tuple with some items. Now let's verify the data type. Let's create a tuple with mixed data types. And the type is tuple. To create an empty tuple, we just need to use open-close round brackets. Also, empty tuple can be created using tuple function without argument. Let's create a tuple without parentheses. This is called tuple packing. By usual method, we cannot create a tuple with single item. We just need to append a comma to make it as a tuple with single item. Data type conversion. Tuple function is used to convert a sequence data type to tuple type. Sequence data types are string, list, set, etc. Converting string to tuple. String is a sequence of characters, so when a string is converted to tuple, it takes each character in the string to a tuple item. Converting list to tuple. A list is same as tuple. The only difference is that tuple is immutable and list is mutable. So when a list is converted to tuple, the items become immutable. Converting dictionary to tuple. As we know, a dictionary is a collection of key and value pair, and it is not a sequence type. A dictionary, when converted to a tuple, by default tuple will take the key as tuple items. We can also use a function called keys on dictionary to get only key items. In this example, dictionary key is converted to tuple items. To get only values from a dictionary, we can use a function called values. In this example, dictionary value is converted to tuple items. To get both keys and values from a dictionary, we can use a function called items. From this example, the output will be a tuple of tuples. Each tuple inside the tuple will have key and value data. Converting set to tuple. A set, when converted to tuple, the data becomes immutable and it is enclosed in a round bracket. Let's convert a string to tuple. So the output is a tuple. I am going to convert a list to tuple. And the output is a tuple. Here dictionary is not a sequence type. So when we convert a dictionary to tuple, it will take key as tuple items. We can also use keys function on a dictionary to get keys as tuple items. I am using values function on dictionary to get values as tuple items. Here I am using items function on dictionary to get both keys and values. The output displays keys and value as tuple of tuples. Let's create a set variable and convert it to tuple. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.